Hey everyone, T.F.D back here. It's been quite a while since we've been doing an update. This is just gonna be a real quick video. So if you could stay with me for a couple minutes, that'd be great. So far today, we've been doing a little bit of sheet metal work. And quite happy with how it's come. I don't think I've done a video, or maybe I have. Maybe that was just Instagram, I think. But as you can see, my metal piece for the roof has been cut thoroughly, and I've traced out. You can see this is the size of it now. Fortunately, I'm not going to be able to get this to go down much, but that should be fine. But you can see this is like a two-piece right here. I've ground that down a little bit, so I'm probably gonna need to slap some metal in there at some point. Okay, that's how it sits. Well, there we go. That's how it sits. If we look at it, stupid mosquitoes. You can see it's pretty flush with it, except I'm going to need to repair this part right here. I was planning on saving this and keeping it across, but because of how this was on this piece, I was unable to do that. So all this is nicely prepped now, you can see. So that's ready. And I've came down here now, and this is mainly all ready. We've got, I might have to cut more of this out. I'm not sure how I feel about it. As you can, there we go. As you can see, it's kind of crusty, so I'm thinking about maybe cutting the rest of it. You can look, oops, focus, thank you. I've got the whole piece right here that goes all the way down, all right? But that's just the outer skin. You can see there's two skin pieces here, all right? And the inner piece right here, I've cut because this piece right here was severely rusted. I mean, it was bad. I've got some metal I'm going to weld on and, fix it. So I've got a piece over there I'm going to consider welding in place of this. And we'll go from there. But I wanted to show you guys what the inside looked like. It's really not bad in here, really, actually, if you look at it. Just to refocus. Those are the two pieces now. Focus, there you go. When I had this headliner off, moisture got in here and kind of ruined it, but not bad otherwise. Pop the trunk for you guys. Alright, I've had it running already for a little bit. Do I have the keys? Yes, I do. I'll do, let's see, which one is it? Okay. I'll do a little start, shouldn't need choke. I found a reservoir thing for like under 40 bucks for like that, but at this moment, 40 bucks is kind of a lot for me, so that'll be a last thing. One quick thing, I found some really cool numbers. Focus, thank you. Obviously, we all know what 82 is the year. But I don't know what 6B and 29 mean. 29 mean, of course. But that definitely means this has got to be the original hood. Come on. Why isn't autofocus on? Okay, never mind. I don't know if I saw any numbers on this anywhere. That's obviously the cow tag right there. But I don't see anything on the fenders. Interesting. Oh well. Thought I'd show you guys what's up right now. It's currently the 30th. I'll upload this in a bit. It's probably like 2 p.m. right now, so thought I'd show you guys and give you an update. Thanks for watching, everyone.